So we go through the another important piece of the Kinetico software. We're talking about the pawl set. These are very small components that interact with the gear mechanism, the control valve, and this is the process and what they do and what problems can arise when they're not working properly. So the pawl set in the water softener, the Kinetico models, refers to the collection of interconnected components that control the movement of the internal gears and cams within the control valve assembly. This is right at the very top. These components are responsible for initiating and regulating different functions during the regeneration and operational cycles of the water softener. Here's an explanation of the pawl set and common problems that can occur. Pawl function. The pawl set consists of several individual pawls, including drive pawls and cam pawls. So some are drive pawls that drive the control valve, and the cam, the ones that go on a cam, they move in a orbital direction. So these pawls engage with specific gears and cams within the control valve assembly, enabling the water softener to perform tasks such as initiating regeneration, controlling valve positions, and tracking water usage. Pawl wear or damage. Over time, the pawl set can experience wear or damage due to regular use or aging. This can lead to issues such as pawls not engaging or disengaging correctly, resulting in improper functioning of the water softener. So the sequencing will go out because it will miss gears and it will take longer or not work at all. So wear can occur due to friction, stress or mechanical failure, affecting the precise movement and alignment of the pawls. Pawl misalignment. So misalignment of the pawls set can occur if the water softener is subject to external forces or if the component is not correctly positioned during installation or maintenance. Pawl misalignment can cause problems with the timing and the coordination of various observations within the water softener, leading to issues with regeneration, water flow, or valve control. So you can have broken or missing pawls. In some cases, individual pawls within the pawl set may break or become dislodged. This can happen due to excessive force, physical damage, or inadequate maintenance. Broken or missing pawls can disrupt the proper function of the water softener, resulting in irregular regeneration cycles. So inaccurate water metering or valve positioning problems. So lubrication issues. The pawl set relies on smooth movement and interaction between its components. Lack of lubrication, and that would be a very small amount of water grade. I say water grade, suitable for water silicone. Improper lubrication can cause increased friction and wear. Right, it is important to follow the manufacturer's guidance for lubrication and ensure optimal performance. So obviously, if any of these things occur, then you're going to need a professional to come and have a look at it. But again, it's very expensive and it's it's tricky sometimes to diagnose this particular fault on some of these softwares, but we do show you how to check in our videos. So it's not a bad idea to, again, sometimes if you change all the seals and that doesn't work, there's a small, these pawl sets, they are quite robust. They don't tend to wear out very easily. It's mostly the seal kits that wear out, but it's a process of elimination. There's so many things that can go wrong with these softeners. I mean, they're great when they're working, and they do last for years when they are working properly if they've been maintained. But obviously, if you changed all the seals in the softener and you still have a problem, then these are the next things to start looking at. But it's start cheap. Look at the least expensive things first, and then work up to other things until you get to the bottom of it all. But it usually works out quite well when you do it in a methodical way. So we recommend the seals first. So that's it with that one.